This is the haulmaster 56181 cart tire and wheel replacement. The shaft does not fit in here, so it does come with some extra ball bearings. These do fit the shaft very nicely. I'll show you in a second when I put the camera up. But you've got to pound these out. They're really hard to get out. I'm going to show you how I'm doing that right now. So this is the bearing set that came with it. It's like an adapter kit. This fits my shaft on my wheelbarrow perfectly. So I've got to pound out that sleeve so I can tap in these new bearings. Okay, so I'm hoping you have a good view of this. This is the new cart tire. I need to tap out that sleeve. There's one on both sides. So I'm doing this on the floor. I've got two pieces of hardwood that I want the rim to sit on, and I want the sleeve right dead center. So I want the impact, I don't want the tire acting like a shock absorber, so I've got some wood on the rim on the other side. Now I'll put in the shaft, and I've got it on the sleeve on the opposite side. So we're just gonna hit it a couple times, and I've popped that sleeve out. Didn't do any damage. So again, get that thing nice and centered. Get it on there. Using the shaft. That's centered again. That was a little harder. Out. Both sleeves are out. All right, now I want to tap in one of my new bearings. I don't want to damage this. So again, I'm using a piece of wood. I'm going to get it nice and centered and just very gently, tap it down. One more. See how it works. That's pretty good. Get the other side now. Get that off this thing. Put that on there. Couple more. That's it. That'll work perfect. So with the two sleeves out, you also have these spacers. Here's a shot of the wheel mounted on my wheelbarrow. You'll see I went with 3 spacers. I might have been able to get away with 2, but there still would have been a little bit of a gap. So the wheel spins great. The wheel went on fine. The hardest part was just getting those original bushings out. Hope this video helps you guys.
Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.